Playing volleyball, there are basic volleyball skills. These are serving, passing, setting, attacking, blocking, and digging. For this first video, let us discuss and demonstrate the first volleyball skills, which is deserving.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Shaika Munifa S. Ahadi, and today I will going to demonstrate the 3 types of serving. Before we demonstrate, let us know first what is serving. Serving is used to put the ball in a play, meaning to say, nagsisimula yung game ng volleyball pag nag-serve ka na ng ball. And it is also known as the first line of offense dahil dito ka unang makakascore points. Then, the action is done with arm swing that sends the ball over the net into the opponent's court. The 3 types of serving that we will going to demonstrate today are the underhand serve, overhand serve, and jump serve. First is the underhand serve. Underhand serve is the easiest and the most basic serve. It is commonly used for beginners. So let us know how do we perform this underhand serve.
To do the underhand serve, first you have to stand with 1 foot forward. Then, hold the ball in your non-dominant hand and swing your dominant hand backward, then forward like a pendulum. Hit the ball with the heel of your hand.
Underhand serve is useful for the beginners because it is easier to control and requires less strength. Now, let's proceed to the second type of serving, the overhand serve. Overhand serve is the second type of serving wherein it is more powerful than the underhand serve and is commonly used in games. So let us know how to perform this.
To demonstrate the overhand serve, let us do this step by step. First, hold the ball in front of you, then toss the ball slightly above your head, then swing your dominant hand over your head and hit the ball with an open palm.
Overhand serve requires proper timing and coordination to make the ball go faster and more accurately over the net. The third type is the jump serve. This is the most advanced serve and is often used by experienced players. Let us see how it is performed.
Let us demonstrate the jump serve. Start by tossing the ball high in the air. Take a few steps forward, then jump, and hit the ball at the highest point using a strong overhand motion.
Jump serve is powerful and difficult for opponents to receive, but it requires practice, timing, and good jumping ability.
In serving, there are key elements. This is toss is in front of the hitting shoulder, weight transfer, surface of contact is solid.
In conclusion, underhand serve is used for beginners, overhand serve is more powerful and commonly used, and jump serve is advanced and highly effective. Mastering these serves can greatly improve your performance in volleyball. Thank you.